Hey there Crimson Desert gamers, and welcome back to another video. In this video today I want to talk to you about how you can get the Scorchflame Plate Cloak in Crimson Desert. So first things first, for the Scorchflame Plate Cloak you need to come into the Silent Falls hideout. I'm just going to show you where I am on the map here. So I'm currently to the west of Riventine Winery. You can see there's a river here. I'll just zoom all the way out here for you. So you can see Herdnand here. You've got the Rocket Hills, you've got Hook Rapids, and then over here basically what you're going to be looking for is the Twilight Grotto. And basically the Silent Falls hideout is actually underneath that. So if we come here, we're going to jump straight off just here, go into flight mode to break our fall, and then what we're looking for basically is this entrance here. There is going to be a mini boss in here that you will need to fight, and as we come through to the left here, and as we come through here, you're going to find this doorway, and inside this doorway, this is where the boss is actually going to come to life. So this is Grave Walker, and he's the guy that we're going to need to fight. The boss is actually quite easy to just kill outright. You have to disassemble him by attacking various points on his body. He only managed to hit me 2 times before killing him, so he's not a particularly hard boss to fight. I do recommend, if you want to mitigate some of the damage, to bring a shield or dodge out of the way, but I was able to just face tank it. And then once you've defeated the boss here, you can light these 2 torches and come into this room in order to pick up the Sorcerer's Staff, if you haven't done that already. But once you've done the Sorcerer's Staff, you want to come up here and start climbing the wall. And then once you come up to the wall here, we're going to go ahead and grab hold of it, like such. You want to be about sort of halfway through, and then you want to basically use the stab motion to drive your dagger into the wall to hold it there. In my case, it's the resist key, which is Q on the keyboard. So you can see like this, if I just do it again, just like this. And then once we are resisting and we're effectively got our dagger in the wall like that, we're then going to go ahead and force palm. And as you can see, we've now turned around on the other side of the wall. And here we go, we can now go ahead and loot this treasure chest, which is the treasure chest that gives us the Scorchflame Plate Cloak. So I really hope that this tutorial helps, guys. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did, it's much appreciated. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.